Hi, in today's episode we take the pedestal and change it for a new one. Always wanted to do that. And also we'll be changing out the horns.
Hello, welcome to Jerry Motorsport. I'm Jerry. Let's get started.
Hi guys, right, I got that replacement part for the alternator pedestal. Putting that together, I found that the thread on one side was particularly bad and that the nut wouldn't go on. You get a few turns and it just seizes up. Can get binding with galvanised. It's not called binding, it's called something else. But anyway, so what I'm having to do is just get a tap and die set and just recut the thread on the pedestal so that the nut goes on. Then I should be able to fit it back to the car. Once the pedestal's back on, refit the alternator, which I've done a bit of cleaning up on, nothing major, just to make it look a bit smarter, and then put this new fan belt on. We'll just see how that's doing now with a nut. Little tiny bits of sort of galvanised debris on there. Oh, that's much better. Binding a little bit there, a bit gritty still. That's it, I can't turn it anymore again. That might just be enough. So I've got the spring washer in into the block, plus the fact that I will be able to tighten that. Yeah, it's relatively easy with a spanner, I'm not too worried about that. Cleaned up alternator back now. Let's see if the different fan belt will fit now. Tantalisingly close. Take this back one out. Tilt it a little bit. Fan belt on. Put that back in. There we go. Right. Need to put some tension in that. Tighten up the pivot point and then tighten it all down. That's it, finally done. So that's the fan belt in and adjusted, so it's got about a centimetre of movement on its longest leg. In any case, it'll need the engine running, that fan belt bed in, and just need to check the adjustment again.
Okay, that's the fan belts done. Now we're going to move on to the horns. So that means I'll have to take the front grille back out again to get to the bolts. So back down in here. And then once they're fitted, we'll take the car out for a run. So this is the original horn, and here is the replacement low tone horn, and here is the two horns together. Right, what we're going to do now, now we make sure they work, they sound very different, so what we're going to do now is just refit those. Okay, those new horns aren't going to fit in the same location, they're just slightly the wrong size, so they don't fit down in the hole here. And if they do, well, they get them in, but the trumpet ends up against the bulkhead. So I'm going to mount them slightly differently. Put them in like this. Check that works. all connected. Double check they're working again. Put the grill back in, and then we'll take it for that road test. Okay, that's the car all road tested. Pretty good actually. Even got the opportunity to test the horn when I thought someone might be pulling out in front of me. Yeah, very different sound. But anyway, yeah, that's all tested now. Still getting those knocks, so that is going to be my next job. I think the season has dried up for competitions that I can get into, so I'm going to spend the time now working on the car. We've been working on the 1930s M-type midget as well, and a few little jobs on the Land Rover and the Mini as well, so there's plenty of stuff coming. In the meantime, we're just going to strip down the suspension on the midget and have a look at that knocking noise. And actually the Mini's got some knocking as well, so it's obviously a bit of a theme coming forward. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found that interesting. Hopefully the Mini interlude wasn't too distracting for you, those of you midget lovers. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe, it does help us out, and give us a like, and any comments please do leave them and help me improve the channel. That's it for now, thank you very much.